The garden always dictates what needs to be done. And this morning I came out to water our newly planted passion fruit vine that we had planted probably in June of this year. And it's only 4 months later and it has taken off. We planted it with 50% of our Booze Blend biodynamic compost from Malibu Compost. And then we also planted, wow, look at this, it's a long one and it knows exactly where to go. Then we also planted that with 50% of the native soil, which is pretty much 50% clay and 50% rocks. So look at how green and gorgeous this is. We never used any fertilizers, nothing else, just Booze Blend, 50%, 50%. And look what we have here. Our first passion fruit flower, or passion fruit. We had seen a few flowers on the vine earlier this year. And here's another flower coming. But they always dropped because they were the first ones. And so today, I'm going to continue to train this vine and make sure that we train it on this fence so that it stays pretty much on this side and continues to go along this fence line. And then it is already going down this fence over here. And this is our side yard fence. And then I think that if it just takes over this fence, we'll have enough passion fruits to juice and to do all kinds of things with. Because on this side, we have our grapevines that grow all the way across our entire backyard that's backed up against the Santa Monica Mountains. So we got grapes on this side, and we've got 4 different types of table grapes. And then we've got our beautiful passion fruit vine that we would love to have cover this entire fence. So we will be back and let you know as it grows.